Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a comparison of Sublime Text and Neovim. In order to do so, here we are at sublimetext.com and we're also at neovim.io. And in order to do a comparison of the two, let's go ahead and check in with Cider AI. Cider is a fantastic extension for your Chrome browser that allows you to ask questions of AI at any time and get the answers you're looking for. According to Cider, both Sublime Text and Neovim are popular text editors, but they cater to slightly different audiences and use cases. Here's a comparison of their key features. Sublime Text is a modern, intuitive GUI with a focus on ease of use. It's easy to install and get started. No initial configuration required. It supports a wide range of plugins via package control, and it supports syntax highlighting for many programming languages out of the box. It allows for editing in multiple places at once, and it's very fast and lightweight with efficient handling of large files. It uses proprietary software with a trial version, but it requires purchase for continued use. Neovim, on the other hand, is primarily a terminal-based editor, but can also be used with GUIs, but retains a steeper learning curve. It requires more initial configuration, and it's extensible via a built-in plugin architecture supporting Lua plugins, which can enhance performance. It's highly customizable and extensible. It supports syntax highlighting with more potential through configuration, and it has limited multi-cursor support compared to Sublime. It's optimized for speed and performance, especially with large files or in complex projects, and it is open source with a strong community backing, allowing for continuous updates and customization. Sublime is great for users looking for a quick and powerful text editor that's easy to set up, particularly for general purpose coding and writing, and Neovim is tailored more for developers who prefer a keyboard-centric workflow and need advanced customization and extensibility, especially in programming and developing environments. Your choice between Sublime or Neovim should depend on your preferences for user interface configuration and programming workflow. If you prefer a user-friendly environment with minimal setup, Sublime Text is probably the better choice. But if you're looking for a powerful, customizable, and efficient editor that you can tailor to your workflow, Neovim might be the way to go. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in taking advantage of Cider AI, take a look at the link in the description. There you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our top AI recommendations, including Cider. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.